Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Trick App channel, and in this video we are going to be learning how to add a background image in Figma. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into it. Right now, as you can see, I'm on the main screen of Figma, and from here I'm going to be creating a rectangle. Now let's say I want to add another shape, which is, let's say, a star. Let's change the color of the star to something like red so we can see it. Now I want to add a background image. To do so, you simply need to head over to this shape tools, and from there to place image or video option. Click on that, select a picture from your local storage and just draw it onto your canvas. Now you'll be able to see that our image is now added onto our canvas. Now we can also move it backwards. You can see our star is now visible on top, and we can also adjust it accordingly. So that's how you can add background images in Figma, and I really hope you learned something new and you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.